What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope each and every single one of you guys are having a great day today. Today's my only day off. I've got a bunch of errands to run, so I figured I'd go ahead and take you guys along for the ride. We're starting this video off this morning here in the office, but we're about to head out. First thing first is I have a doctor's appointment this morning, but then we got to go ahead and order some new Stay Tuned merch for the boys, as well as a bunch of other fun stuff I have planned. Let's go ahead and grab my camera bag and head out. I'm still super new to the whole draggy thing. I still have to figure it out and figure out the settings I need to have it on, but I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of the draggy. We're almost to my doctor's appointment. They're just checking out my skin here this morning. I had something around my tattoo. It was like the weirdest thing. It was like super like nasty and bad, but I was put on antibiotics and like this topical cream for like the last 2 weeks, and we're just doing a little follow-up appointment this morning. Well, in there for 4 minutes, it takes $40. Don't we just all love going to the doctors? But he like irritated this a little bit, like scraped it up to show me that there's still a rash there. I thought the tattoo was just faded, but apparently there's still a rash. So he told me to just keep taking my antibiotics, and he'll send me in 3 weeks. I've also got like this topical cream that he said to use twice a day, and we shall see what happens in another 3 weeks. Now it's time for the fun stuff. Go order you guys some new merch. Well, this is a different POV if you guys are not a longtime subscriber of the channel. But I just ordered the shirt for my buddy. I'm heading to go order the hat now at a different place. And so, if you guys are a very long time subscriber of the channel, I used to make driving vlogs like all the time, and it was probably one of my most favorite videos to do. I had my grandpa with me because at the time when I was first started off YouTube, I only had my permit, and that's just crazy to think that. So for the last 6 or so years, I've been making videos on and off, and I really regret taking the off times. I wish that I never stopped, and I wish that I was always consistent, but you know, life happens and stuff happens, and I gotta change and adapt and overcome. So here we are. But my plan now is just be the most consistent. I hope you guys are enjoying the Tuesday, Thursday shorts and Saturday videos. I absolutely love them. They're a blast to make. I always try to make the best content I can. Caleb, of course, is a little bit better at editing than I am, but I try my best, and you guys can definitely tell when it's a Caleb video versus a Maverick video. But yeah, so I just figured I'd hop on this POV real quick, show you guys the POV driving. I love it. This is fun. This is like giving me some nostalgia almost. I gotta insert a clip right now of an old driving video. What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? So, say hello. 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 Okay, we're driving, just got out of school. Pretty cool. I want to tell you guys a quick story before we even begin the vlog. When we were coming out of school, pretty dope, we saw a white GTR, like a 2013, 2014 model. So clean, so nice. It sounded so loud, but I couldn't even have a chance to record it because I was driving for one, and for two, it was going so fast by, so that's pretty cool. Oh, back. Oh. Now time for my next snack, some birdseed. Although, now that I'm looking at the camera and not the road for a second, I realize there's a horrible glare. Sorry. And we'll have to just film this at a different time of day. Also gonna go ahead and hit up the gym in a little bit. But yeah, let's just go ahead and continue with the vlog, guys. You know, I just realized I didn't tell you guys that my truck actually got fixed. Let me cross my fingers real quick. It was at the Ford dealership a total of 6 times for one issue. It had like this rough idle and it would shut off on me like just randomly at red lights and stuff. And after many attempts and after many conversations, we'll call them, with people over at Ford, they actually fixed my truck. I hope so. My fuel economy's gone back up. It hasn't rough idle, it hasn't turned off. So far so good. It's been about a week since it's been fixed. And they said it was the VCT solenoid. It's pretty much the solenoid that controls the cams and the timing of the motor. And I guess they had reset that before the last time. And in the last couple of videos I said they reset that. Well, they went ahead and just replaced the entire thing because I guess it was bad. And so far so good. The truck's been riding like a bat out of hell, which thank God, you know. And I actually love the truck I have now. So since November of last year is when I bought it, it had never been running right. And now that it is running right, I just fell in love with this truck all over again. Hat has been ordered. Hopefully we'll have it in a couple days. Heading over to the gym now to get a little back workout in. Alright guys, just finished up a nice back workout here at the gym. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those clips of me working out. I'm heading over to the card shop here in town, and hopefully I can get some singles to complete Obsidian Flames. Gwen and I are trying to complete the master set of it. Not every single, I guess I should say complete set, not master set. We're not trying to get every single in Hollow, just like all of like the regular singles. And there's only one like non-rare I'm missing, a stupid Lechonk. And then the rest of them are like a few of the rares. So I'm gonna see if they sell them singly for Gwen and I's complete binder we're trying to finish. Well, just left the card shop. They do have a bunch of singles, so I will be going back with my binder and probably Gwen, and we'll figure something out for that. But no Japanese 151 in stock and no Obsidian Flames in stock. But they did say they're gonna go ahead and head to their vendor today, pick up some more supplies for the store, and then we'll have to go back and check it out. Got home. I'm absolutely starving. Recently, I've been doing like just black coffee in the morning. I wake up around like 6 or so I'm not really hungry. Go out, do what I gotta do, and when I get home, I'm starving and I have like my first meal of the day. So it's currently 1, time to eat. I'm gonna have some burgers, chicken, and maybe some eggs. Let's check out my lunch. Absolute feast. 2 burgers with Swiss cheese and sugar-free ketchup, pickles. That is Chipotle chicken breast from Publix. It is so good with Swiss cheese. These are like my chips, but as you can see, they have 1 gram of carb for 19 of these. These things are so good. And of course, a fridge fresh DC. Gonna absolutely devour this right now, watch some YouTube, and then we'll be going back out. Well, I just took like a little nap. I'm about to head out, and I don't know why, but I've been on like this binge of like hard-boiled eggs recently. So just grabbed myself 2 out of the fridge that I cooked yesterday. I don't know why, just literally I just been on a binge. You throw some black pepper on top of these eggs, they're so good. Going to devour these. We have made it to the dollar store. Got some new placemats to match the table topper I have at the house. Out with the old, in with the new. Just got home. I'm so tired, but I gotta wash my truck. But that's not gonna happen right now because it is still like 90-something degrees outside at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So not happening. Gonna wait until probably an hour before sunset. So I think I'm gonna take a little nap. Well, just woke up from a fat nap. Time to go outside and wash the truck. took a much needed shower after that truck detail. But I'm so happy it's clean and it's done now. Now I have a clean truck for the rest of the work week. But do want to show you guys I am dripped out in the freshest Stay Tuned merch. Gwen is about to get off of work. I'm gonna go ahead and go pick her up, bring her back here. We're gonna have a nice dinner, chill out for the rest of the evening, watch some YouTube, and that'll be it. So Gwen just texted me that she got home. I'm heading over there to go pick her up now. But I found this guy, this little microphone guy, this little tripod, just chilling in the office. And I gotta go pick her up. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? That was a very big degen moment, but I thought it was funny. I'm so sorry to headphone users if you guys are wearing AirPods right now or anything watching the video. I apologize, but that was just some funny idea I had thought of. So, heading to go get Gwen, heading back to the house, gonna eat some dinner, chill out, watch some YouTube, and that'll be it. So is that why they call it moonroof? Respect the drip. Cooking up. So I went to the liquor store the other day to buy a bottle of Grey Goose, and this stuff was on sale at the store, and I've yet to try one. It's just club soda, bubbly water. I'm gonna try it, give my honest review. So while my chicken is currently on the stovetop, hopefully not burning. Oh, is this not a twist off? Hold on. This better be a twist off. It's not a twist off. I don't know if I have a bottle opener. So I didn't have a bottle opener, but this can opener has a bottle tip right there, so it worked. It worked. But now all my chicken is probably currently burning. We're gonna try this out. It's water, so it's 0 calories, so that's cool. And no sugar and no carb. That's awesome. How do you make no carb with carbonation? I'm bad at math. It's actually pretty good. I've had some other like sparkling waters, like S. Pellegrino, I think it's called. I'm uncultured, so I'm not really sure. I've had that, and then I think some other ones that are like waters. This is club soda though, made with soft spring water. I think it's the same thing. I don't know anything about this stuff, so. This really isn't bad. Not like it's not really carbonated at all.
It has no smell.
It's not like super carbonated. It just tastes like
I don't
water.
even taste alcohol or anything.
There's no alcohol in it.
What? Never mind. Not interested.
It's
Gets
club
a zero-
soda.
It's a 0 out of 10 for me.
It's club soda.
But they're selling it at an alcohol store. Why would they be selling?
It was free because I bought a bottle of Grey Goose. It was a sale this week.
Oh, so it's like, okay.
This is pretty good.
It doesn't taste like anything.
It tastes like water. It's really not carbonated at all. I kind of like it. So, what is it called? Fever Tree Premium Club Soda. 7.5 out of 10. It would be an 8, maybe a 9 if I didn't have to get out a stupid can opener to open up the bottle top. But cooking must go on. Alright YouTube, it's time for bed. I'm just gonna wrap up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned.
I didn't taste alcohol or anything.
There's no alcohol in it.
What?
It's club soda.